shoes, toys, you name it. This is a bargain.
My name is Tracy Panase, and this is the Just Between Friends sale in Oaks. It's a huge semi-annual kids consignment sale, the largest in the country. Everything that you need to clothe or entertain your children for the upcoming season you can find here, and everything is available at a fraction of the price, 50 to 90% off of retail. You can expect to find name brands such as Matilda Jane, Lily Pulitzer, strollers such as UPPAbaby, Mamaroos. Everything that you can possibly think of is available here. All of our items are inspected, so no rips, stains, tears. Also, they're the appropriate season. And a lot of stuff that we get at the sale actually is new with tags. So just things that as an infant, maybe you got too many of at a shower, or just your child never chose to wear it. There's still a lot of life left in these items, and another family, another child can enjoy them and save some money at the same time.
You'll never want to pay for a, $15 shirt in a store again when you could get 4 or 5 at JBF and help out another family.
So who wants to spend a lot of money on maternity clothing? And so we do have a lot of clothing for expectant moms. We only accept name brand maternity items, so you can find those items at a fraction of retail pricing as well. When we start this sale, we have well over 400,000 items. In the course of 4 days, almost all of that stuff is gone by the end of the event. So it really does pay to shop within the course of the sale. The sale only happens twice a year, so it's a highly anticipated event. Many people tell me they take off of work to come to the sale, which is exciting for us as well. But it's one sale that you cannot afford to miss because it only happens twice a year.